Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the unable to join other player servers issue in Meccha Chameleon. First, make sure to close the game completely and check for updates. If you've been playing for a while and your friend has updated the game but you haven't, you won't be able to join their servers. So always check for any available updates before trying anything else. The second step is to adjust the game launch settings. Right-click on the game, go to Properties, and add a launch command. First, try entering DX11, then launch the game and check if you can join servers. If the issue still persists, try changing it to D3D11 and test again. Another possible cause could be cloud saves. Go to the game properties and disable the cloud save option, then check if the problem is resolved. Finally, check your system date and time settings. Go to Windows Search, open Settings, then navigate to Time and Language Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is enabled, then click Sync Now. After that, restart the game and see if the server issue is fixed. That's pretty much it. These steps should help you resolve the problem.